Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maddie. Today I have another Halloween tutorial. This is my third and final installment. This is the Enchantress makeup tutorial. It's a pretty simple look, like purple and smoky, but it's super cute. I added some Swarovski crystals, so it's definitely a little bit extra. By the way, I am very sick again as I'm doing this voiceover 2 times in like 1 month, which is like soups awesome, love it. But yeah, moving onwards. If you'd like to see how to achieve this look, then just keep on watching because I am going to show you. Next, I'm going to go in with some strobe cream. It is a pearlescent moisturizer, and I'm going to apply this all over my face. This is the Peach Light. It is from MAC. I love the glow that this gives me, and I just love massaging that into my skin. Then I'm going to start on brows. I'm going to be using the MAC Brow Fluid Line Gel Cream. This is in True Brunette. I find that I can get pretty heavy-handed with pomades, which is why I don't use them anymore, but I'm trying to be as light-handed as possible to create not a natural brow, but not anything that's like too bold or crazy. Then I am concealing around the brows. I'm carving them out. I'm using the MAC Pro Conceal and Correct palette in light. Of course, I find myself having to carve up my brows more often when I use pomades. Again, I feel myself going a little bit more outside the lines with pomades. With pencils, I don't feel that way as much. And then, of course, I'm going to set the brows, and for that, I'm going to use the MAC Brow Set in the shade Beguille, which is my favorite. And then I am priming my eyes with the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre, and I am setting them, my eyelids, with the Studio Fix powder in NC10. Next, I'm going in with the fluffy brush and the color Pinkity, Drinkity, and I am just going to apply this into the crease and start to build up the color slowly. Then I'm going in with the color Single, which is that lighter purple shade there, and I'm applying that into the crease. I don't know why I used the brush that I originally did because I ended up not really liking the way that it looked. But after applying this into the crease, I just went in with my other fluffy brush that I used to apply that Pinkity Drinkity shade, and I just used that to blend it out. Then with a smaller brush, I am taking the color Escape, which is that darker purple, and I'm applying that into the outer V and a little bit into the crease. And then I am taking another fluffy brush and blending that out. If you've seen my videos before, then you know the process. Then I am taking the shade Artistry, which I love. It's that like blue purple shift with sparkle. I used a wet brush to apply it. I sprayed it with some Fix Plus, and I applied it almost in like a cut crease type of fashion without actually cutting the crease. For a little added sparkle on top, I just went in with some Diamond Crumbles from MAC, the Dazzle Shadow Liquid, and I just applied that right over top of the Artistry color on the lids. Then I decided to do some wing liner, and I used the MAC Dual Dare eyeliner, which is a felt tip liquid on one side and a pencil on the other, and I'm just using the liquid to create my wings. To create a little bit of extra dimension in the outer corner, I decided to use the gel pencil from the Dual Dare eyeliner to add some depth to the outer corner and the crease a little bit. And I used the shade Spooky from the James Charles palette to blend it out. And I continued to put on eyeliner, blend it out, and repeat the process until I was happy. Then I'm going with some mascara, and I'm using the Wander Beauty Mile High Club mascara, which I really like. The wand on this one is super nice. I got this from an Allure beauty box, I believe. And then I'm going in with some lashes. I'm going in with those Eyelure lashes that I used again. This is the same pair that I've used in my last few videos. I really like these. They've held up super duper well. They remind me of the MAC 75 lashes, but a fraction of the price, which is really nice. And then I decided to do some white girl dancing for some reason. And then I went in with the High Beam liquid highlighter from Benefit, and I applied that to the high points of the face to create like a really nice glow from within. For foundation, I went in with the Natasha Denona Face Glow, which is my all-time favorite. If you know, you know. And I'm using a MAC 170 brush to apply it, which is my favorite way to apply this foundation. I like the coverage that it gives, and I really like how it blends everything out and makes it look super flawless. Then I'm doing some concealing. First, I'm doing spot concealing with the MAC Pro Conceal and Correct palette in light, as I usually do. And then I'm also going in with the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. It looks like I'm using a lot here, but I'm pretty much scraping the last little bits on the sides of the tube, so I promise it's not nearly as much as it looks. Then I'm going in with the Hourglass Veil Powder, and I am using that to set my under eyes. I'm not taking excess product to set the face. I'm just using whatever was left over on my little brush. And then I am going to apply some eyeliner, the gel pencil, to my waterline, and I'm going to start applying some eyeshadows, the ones that I applied into my crease, to my lower lash line as well. For an inner corner highlight, I am using the MAC Liquid Dazzle Shadow, again in Diamond Crumbles. It's transparent, but it has that like really gorgeous blue purple reflect that looks so sick on the inner corner. Then I'm doing some cream bronzing / contouring, Milk Makeup Baked bronzing stick. If you know, you know. Greatest cream contour of all time. And then to set that and add a little bit of extra bronze, I am using the MAC Studio Fix powder in NC35 right over the top of that. Then I'm going in with the MAC Extra Dimension blush. This is in the color Rosy Cheeks, and I'm using that on a really big, fluffy blush brush. I'm applying this pretty much all over the cheek area super liberally, and kind of moving that up into the temple and the under eye as well. And then to add a bit more depth, I'm going in with the Extra Dimension blush in Wrapped Candy. I'm almost using that to contour, just applying that right over top of the other blush that I used. And then I am going to highlight my face. I'm first starting with the MAC Extra Dimension Skin Finish. This one's in Show Gold. It's a gorgeous pink gold, and I love just how like reflective that is over top of my cheeks. I'm applying a little bit of blush to the under eyes. I don't know why I'm doing that. I just think it looks really cute with this look. And then I'm going to apply a little bit extra highlighter because I'm being super extra. And this one is the Extra Dimension Skin Finish in Double Gleam. That's what it's called, Double Gleam. Took me a second there. Then I'm moving on to lips. I am using the Nightmoth lip pencil from MAC to line my lips and also fill them in. And then for lipstick, I am using, this is an old one and you're gonna judge me and I don't care. This is the lipstick called Pure Heroine. This was from a collaboration with Lorde in 2014. Do I still have it? Yes. Do I still wear it? Not really, but it really goes well with this look, so I am, no judgment please. And then for a little extra gloss, I'm using the MAC Dazzleglass in the shade Via Veneto, which is a really, really gorgeous sheer, like lavender with blue sparkle. Perfect for this look. And this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed it. This is my second time filming this tutorial. The first time I did, I was so tired. My vision was so blurry and I could not see what I was doing at all. So here we are, round 2. I think this one worked out pretty well. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a like. If you would like to see more of me, then don't forget to hit subscribe. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I will see you all in the next video. Don't forget to go out and register to vote, and goodbye.